All right, how's it going? How would you like to join me on a test drive on a 1970 Mustang Fastback in Grabber Green? Runs nice. Let's go see how she does. I've never driven it before. This will be my first. We'll experience it together. Hey folks, how would you like to go for a test drive in a 1970 Grabber Green Mustang Fastback? I've not driven the car before, so we'll be experiencing this together for the first time. The car seems to run real well. Door shuts nice and solid. Oil pressure is pegged at high. They did put a temperature gauge down below, probably more accurate than the one in the dash. The car is still cold, so that hasn't moved yet. Gas gauge is working. It does have a retro stereo in here. I didn't read the manual. I don't know how to operate it, but it has a plug-in for USB also. It's a 351 Cleveland. Little surprising, it still has a 2-barrel on it, so it's built as a nice cruiser. The previous owner put power steering on it, power brakes. He did a bunch of improvements. He said the 4-barrel probably would have been the next thing he did, but it ran so good it wasn't his priority. I'm very comfortable in the car. It feels nice. It steers real nice. Put the window up. And I was driving, just barely holding the wheel. And it's going down the road nice and straight. Do our little U-turn here. The left turn signal's working. The coast is clear. Accelerates just fine. Steering just fine. No hands on the wheel. Look how straight it's going. No shakes, no shimmies. Nothing weird is happening right now. Very impressed with the way it drives and handles and feels. Even applying the brakes, it stopped smooth and evenly. Actually, both temperature gauges are working. They're just starting to climb up right now, so they're both hooked up. We got wipers. No horn. This is an aftermarket steering wheel, and I don't think they've got a horn because it's fixed solid. But yeah, drove really well. Very happy with it. Felt good. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed it, and check our YouTube channel for other test drive videos.